Welcome back. Let's have a look at the next interview question. What is PageRank? PageRank measures the importance of each vertex in a graph, assuming an edge from U to V represents an endorsement of V's importance by U. For example, if a Twitter user is followed by many others, the users will be ranked highly. So it's a PageRank algorithm. So here we have data for followers and users. This is the users data, one Barack Obama, Lady Gaga, and so on. And this is the data for followers. So let's see how PageRank algorithm works. So I won't be explaining in detail. We will just go through the code. So I assume you might have knowledge on PageRank algorithm. So here we are loading the GraphX loader, and through GraphX we are loading the followers data. I've already loaded the data into Databricks environment. So here you can see graph is of type graph int comma int. So followers data has been loaded. Now we will run PageRank algorithm. Val ranks equal to graph.pagerank with value 0.0001 dot vertices. So it will create a rank vertices vertex RDD of type double. Now we will run join the rank with the user names. So val user equal to sc.text file. So we are reading this user file and splitting the user ID and name. So here we are splitting by comma and fetching first and second fields. So the array starts from 0, so that's why it is written field 0 dot too long and fields 1 where it's a ID and username. Then this user we will join with the ranks column, and we will be matching with the based of ID and username, and we will have rank respective to it, and we will be printing the same thing. So here the resultant output we will be getting Justin Bieber and its rating, Mete Zaharia and its rank, Lady Gaga and its rank, and so on. So this way all users with the respective ranks has been displayed. So this is about PageRank algorithm. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.